Hey Matthew, we're here at the car wash with Tatai. See, there's Tatai.
Hey, but hi.
Alright. I'm sorry we couldn't take you here today, but I want you to know we're recording it for Matthew, okay? This is the ARCO for Matthew, Daddy and Tatai. Okay? Here we go. I thought I felt water. My imagination. I sure hope they're not charging me every time I come through here. Oh my god, that would be horrible. $5 a day? They go like every day. That's $150 a month. When I could do it for $15 a month. Did you notice how dirty the car was? The whole front was just filthy in the rain. One truck drove by me and it went whoosh. It splashed all the water on the front of my car. Just for you, Matthew. Yeah, he can read those over there too. He'll say, wait. And then when it's green, he'll say, go. Wait. Wait, Matthew. Wait. Wait. Almost time. Wait. Oh, wait. And it's time to... I thought I'd say go by now. Wait for it. Go! Yay, Matthew! Yay, Matthew! It's time to go now, Matthew. Alright, so there's the car wash. I wish you could be here, but at least you got to see the video, right? Okay, time to press the button. Bye-bye.